Welcome to an out-of-the-package pick attempt on an ABUS lock that I got from William Mancel. Yeah, buddy, thank you very much for this interesting lock. It has a B on the front and I have no idea what that stands for. Maybe for ABUS. It's a locker lock. That's the model number. It's an aluminium body lock. Yeah. What does it say other than that? It has a pericentric keyway that gives an optimum picking resistance. So, yeah, let's give it a try. I have my pair of scissors here to get into this package without any bigger trouble. Oh, it's very lightweight. Oh, extremely lightweight. So let's see if it works. It does. Not a strong spring tension on the plug. Very light. Alright, so let's see. It has a not too pericentric keyway. I think I can try to tension it from the open side. So I like to do that if possible, because then I can see the first pin and it's tilting. So maybe I use a tension wrench that has a smaller tension wrench so that it doesn't tilt. Let's see if this works. Yeah, that works. Because if it's too wide, then you get the upper edge in the open part and then it tilts. So when you slide it in like this with a smaller tension wrench, you might be lucky and it stays there. And it provides optimum clearance for the remaining gap. So I need to find a proper pick. That's a pretty good big pick for many applications. It's from Sparrows. It has a very thin shaft and a good reach. So applying medium tension, and I'm expecting actually only standard pins. So let's see how much it takes. They all feel pretty set or pretty stiff. So what I'm trying now is again tension it here from the open side or on the open side. What pick can I get in? Try again with the first pick. Okay, so that's better. That's not occupying too much of the space. That was a good click. I think that was 4. That's 5. That's actually the best configuration so far. So I try to hold it straight so that it doesn't tilt and occupies too much of the space in the back. So now I'm pulling my pick out and I think I can feel 5. No, when I release tension, that's not a pin. Okay, here we go. It's the first pin, or the last pin. It's binding. Okay, and it's open. what was that? That's funny. Okay, try this again. So I apply tension, stick my pick in, pull it out and feel 5. It's hard to set, so I release tension a little bit. And wait. Here we go, that's 5. And it's open. So I'm really shocked that it is that easy. So I apply heavy tension so that I don't set any pins, but when I pull out the pick, I stop here at 5. Now I release tension so that I can set it with my pick, and I can feel when it okay, now I set 5 only without touching any other pin. So let's see. And it's open. Alright, so that's pretty interesting. When I don't apply a lot of tension, so just a little bit, and I stick my pick in, I think I set all the other pins in the process of sticking the pick in. And now when I pull out the pick with tension, I feel that the last pin is binding. Oh, wait. Here we go. Okay, you have to set some pins. But it's really easy. I mean, it's just the way how this lock is tensioned makes all the difference. So that's the perfect light condition. Yeah, that's the perfect configuration with pick and tension wrench, and you can really feel very well that the last pin is binding. You set it, you pull out the pick, and you find all the other pins binding, and now the pick is broken. Oh, that was a pick that had some really long time of abuse under its belt, and yeah, you can see now it's broken. What other pick could I use if I don't have this anymore? I think I have a replacement for that, but let's see if this pick also works. It's a homebrew pick. Has not the reach that the other pick had, but it's thin, and let's see if this works. Maybe the reach is required. Yeah, it's important to set pin number 5 first, and it's binding really hard. But then it's a pretty easy lock. So that was my play with the B from William Mancel. Thank you very much for sending me this very lightweight and cool looking ABUS. Yeah, you can see that it's sometimes not easy to pick an unknown lock, but of course sooner or later we will get into it. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and bye bye!